Hi, today we are looking at this charging unit for your car. This is able to charge 4 devices at one time, so then that way your kids are able to charge their stuff on the go, and then that way they don't have to fight over having enough spaces to charge everything. This is also fast charging. You can use your own cords here or go ahead and use one of these two retractable ones. You can charge all at the same time. You can charge one at a time. It is whatever you need. These stretch out for a long distance, and that way they do reach their phones or tablets. It is easy to install in your car. You're going to do it onto the headrest. So you unscrew that part and you're going to put this through the bar and then tighten the back on. It comes with the cigarette plug outlet that you are going to charge or plug in to charge the unit itself. And the best part is this even has 2 charging ports on it, so that means there's a total of 6 charging ports at one time. You guys can have it up front if you want, and then be able to charge your stuff, and then put this back on the back of your seat, so then that way it can reach the kids' tablets and phones easily with no issues.